Hi, well, another unboxing, but this one is an alarm box. So I bet you're thinking, why have I bought another Lintec? Well, you're probably thinking, oh, it's a dummy. Well, it is a live one. So you've got twin tamper universal bell box, just there. Very plain box, it's just that. So this is it, and this produces 120 decibels. Just here. These are my order forms here. Just put that there. Right, so there we are. We've got this here. Got what to wire it to. Aid Logic 4. My goodness, that's like as old as the Optima. So we've got everything there. I will show you inside now. Oh. So I got this from the electrical counter. That's how you say it. It was £40.48, something like that. That's how much it come to with everything. So you normally have to flip these out with a screwdriver, but I've already had a look, so go and unscrew it. This is not that big, surprisingly. I did think it'd be quite big. You got the Exxon strobe there, and the comfort LED. Now, I always thought Lintex was green when they was off, when they was on it was red, but this is just a red one, like a red comfort LED, so I don't know. And I've noticed something as well. The people, well, I've noticed a few neighbours with, it was only a few just dotted around my area, and the plastic doesn't really seem to fade much. The worst ones fading are the AG60s and the Kinetic AZ Tech, the old kind. That my uncle's got one, and it's cream nice. But you plan to tamper spring there, so you got a back one. You got that one, red LED, the strobe. And if you look, the LED goes in there and the strobe goes in there. If I wanted to, I wouldn't have to use this cover. I could use the yellow cover, but I'll keep this. I'll just keep it original. Bit dirty, considering it's come from the factory. Got a NiCad battery. NiCads, they're not my favourites. You have to connect that to there. I don't think I'll be using this because I don't really want to use it. This is a piezo here. Looks awfully weird, like it's got this some sort of thing on there. That's really weird, that. But that's connected into there. So yeah, it isn't that big, to be honest. This, I mean, thought it'd be like that. So yeah. So looks quite good. Strong plastic. So yeah, strobe and LED there. I like these because I like this bit here. I think that look quite funky. Yeah. So there we are. It was pretty easy ordering it. Well, my mum done it for me. All she done is added it to the basket, signed in, paid through PayPal, and that's basically it. It was quite easy, to be honest. So yeah, can't get a screw in. But I don't think I'll be using this. I mean, there's a very little chance that I will use it because obviously everywhere's the discontinued pretty much everywhere. As for the backup battery, I could, if I wanted to, if it bothered me that much, I could go onto eBay and get a nickel metal hydride or maybe a lithium, I'm not sure. But the NiCads, very poor with them, are poor quality, so yeah. How I know about NiCads, I have had a lot of run-ins with NiCads. Because I collect vacuums, I've had dustbusters that have had NiCad batteries, and they're like, they just slowly go down. So that's how you know. And then you just put these back on. Try and get in the right way. That might help. You have to. There we go. You have to give them a good push for them to go back in. But another good push. So yeah, I've got that in pocket. But to do it, you have to prise it out with a screwdriver. So if you do get one of these, I'd go easy because it chews away at the plastic a little bit. So you know. So yeah, there we are. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.